Okay, the problem, it's not actually a problem, it was a problem, but not anymore. So struggle to get the radiator sorted for this. So as you can see, I'll show you in a minute. It's gone in, yeah, it's nice and well in there. So that's the oil cooler, and yeah, that's the radiator, the original one which came with it. This is from a Mitsubishi Shogun, which called in Japan Pajero or Montero. So what I actually had to do was let me show. There you go. This is how the original fitment is, because what we had was an American Hurricane petrol engine here. Yeah. So that engine is this high. So the fan comes right here. So now what I put is a Toyota 2C diesel, 2-liter diesel engine. Usually comes for townhouse, lighthouse, CR27 model or something. So that's the engine. So that's very low down, and also the gearbox. This is automatic gearbox. So that goes really like low, the engine, and the gearbox fits there. So if you want to get the gearbox low down to match to the differential there, the drive shaft, then it has to go low down. So when it goes low down, the fan goes down, and then there is no way it could, well, it will cool it on the go, but when it's stationary, the fan wouldn't help to cool down the hot coolant, not water, sorry. So what I had to do you see this line there, this bit? I had to just shear it off on this side. As you can see, I used the drill handle in the corner as well, a bit, and then I had to get this one in there, so that would, then the fan would come to the level where the fins are in the radiator. So that's what I've done. So that will go in there. So now I put the grill there, right? It's slightly according to the alignment, it's slightly coming forward there. So I need to cut this one and bring it back. Now as you can see how far down this one is. So this is actually good for me. Do you know why? Because now I can place the oil cooler about the radiator somewhere here. So which I mean, this one can go there. That makes sense, right? So if it fits there, job's done. So not here, I'm just placing it there to see the height. Obviously I need access to the radiator cap, so I need enough spacing. So what I'm trying to say is, if you look in here, there you go. It looks ugly, but that's fine, I can live with it, because what I'm going to do right there onto this one, which I mean onto that line, I'm going to put a mesh, galvanized mesh or something like that, spray it to black, so it will look like a radiator from outside, wouldn't it? So that's what I have to do now. There you go. It looks okay. Look at that, it's the way down, isn't it?